Hi everyone! For this week for our English work, we're going to learn something called verb tenses. So as you guys remember, verbs are action words. We can change how we use or write a verb in a sentence to tell when something is happening. So for today, we're going to look at something called present tense. So I know that's a new phrase that we're learning about today, so I want to tell you guys what present tense means. Present means something that is happening right now. When we use present tense verbs in a sentence, the verb ends in ing, ing, or s. So let's look at some examples of present tense verbs in a sentence. So just like I said, if we see a present tense verb in a sentence, it's going to end in s or ing. So let's read these two sentences. Jaden jumps on his bed. Jaden is jumping on his bed. So we see that the verbs or the action word has the s at the end and ing. That's telling us that that action verb or action word is happening right now. The next example that we have is Christopher walks to school. Christopher is walking to school. So when is he walking to school and when does he walk to school? Right now, because present tense means it is happening right now. And the last example that we're going to read is Giovanni brushes his teeth. Giovanni is brushing his teeth. So the reason why I highlighted the s at the end of the action verbs is to show us that the action verb will sometimes end in s or it sometimes ends in ing. And the way that we read ing is ing. So jumping, walking, brushing.